the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Alcatel 3V. So I'm on Alcatel's website here, and you can pre-order the Alcatel 3V now. I think it gets officially released next week, so that's pretty cool. The Alcatel 3V got announced at MWC back in February, so this one is almost to purchase. But you can pre-order it now on their website. You can pre-order it on Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and places like that. So the Alcatel 3V is part of the 3 series from Alcatel. They have the 3X, the 3V, and the 3. I think the Alcatel 3V is the highest tier of the 3 series from Alcatel this year. So yeah, this is a mid-range budget phone. Specs on it pretty good. It's not the most spec phone out there. It's not a flagship. So do keep that in mind, guys. So if you guys want to pre-order this phone, you can do it now. So let's check out the Alcatel 3V. It says Explore New Dimensions. You can pre-order it here. There's the phone right there, front and back. Nice looking phone. It has like a glossy back to it. But the phone looks very nice. It looks very nice. It has a glossy back to it. I like the Alcatel logo. I like the font on the Alcatel logo. I do like that. You know, nice font, and I like the A wallpaper. I like the wallpaper. I don't know why. I just like the wallpaper. You know what I'm saying? It looks nice, man. You got the Alcatel UI right there on top of Android Oreo. That's a win. It looks like it has an 18:9 aspect ratio display, so that's pretty cool. Phone has fingerprint sensor, dual cameras, dual flash. So yeah. Keep in mind this is a budget phone, guys. So that's what the front and back of it looks like. That's what the phone looks like on all sides. You got the front here, you got your power button here, your volume button on the left side, your volume button on the left. The camera does stick out just a tad bit, if you guys could see that. On the right side, you have your SIM and SD card slot on the right. Your power button is right underneath, and on the back of the phone, of course, your fingerprint sensor, dual cameras, and dual flash, and your Alcatel branding, and it has like a glossy back to it. I don't know if it's plastic or glass, but the phone looks fucking nice, yo. A screen that pulls you in. I like that. I like that phrase. You know what I'm saying? A cinematic experience in the palm of your hand. Y'all guys will like these specs on the screen. It has a 6-inch display. It has a 2K display. It's 2160 by 1080 pixels. That's a win, and has an 18:9 aspect ratio. This one has a 6-inch display. It does not look like it has a 6-inch display, but I'm sure it looks big as shit in person. But I'm just looking at pictures of the phone here on the website. But I'm sure it looks big as fuck in person. 6-inch display, fucking win, yo, fucking win. Award-winning display technology. Our displays are custom built with TCL's award-winning TV technology, now available to enjoy in a smartphone. So TCL made this phone or whatever. As you guys know, TCL make BlackBerry phones and stuff like that and whatnot. Yeah, you know. That's back in front of the phone again. Ahead of the curve, easy on the eyes, and fits comfortably in your hand. 2.5D glass, slick design. Yeah, this phone looks fucking nice. Yeah, I bet it looks fucking nice. I bet your phone looks nice in person, but just looking at pictures of the phone, it looks fucking nice as hell, yo. And I like the software keys. If you guys can see right here, the software keys right here. I like that, yo. Right here, hold on, where's my mouse? Right here. Software keys for back, home, and recent. So that's really nice touch right there. They took a page from Samsung, but for doing that. You know, you got all your Google ads and stuff like that. This isn't unlike phone, so you will not have any carrier bloatware. You'll just have your standard apps, no bloatware on this phone. So that's a win. A battery that keeps going. With a 3000 mAh battery, the Alcatel 3V gives you 9 hours of talk time and plenty of all-day power. Cool. This thing has I don't know if this thing has fast charger on it or not, but it has a 3000 mAh battery, so it's alright, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Photos with depth. Take photos like a pro. The dual rear camera is 12 megapixel and 2 megapixel. With portrait mode, lets you focus on your subject in real time with a blurred background effect. So there's dual cameras in the back. One of it is 12 megapixels, another one's 2. I think the 2 megapixels is probably fixed focus, I guess. I have no idea. I think one of them's probably a wide angle camera, probably. Interactive camera mode. So you got all these camera modes right here. You got photo booth. Get personal photo booth shots. No cramming required. Strike your best poses in 4 pictures and instantly share with friends. Instant collage. Make your photos pop by creating a collage in real time with the layout of your choice. Alright. So they got a lot of camera modes on this phone. Social Square. Review, delete, or share pictures as soon as they're taken, all while the other half of your screen stays fixated on the action. Okay, this is pretty fucking cool. So I think that this is that you take the picture, you send it to whatever you want, and then this might be the actual camera, or this might be the actual camera right here, or this might be the actual live picture, or this might be the picture that you've taken. It's kind of hard to tell. So that's pretty cool. So they like kind of switch the screen into 2 there for that. It's pretty cool. Express yourself. The 5 megapixel front-facing camera flash lets you capture dynamic selfies day or night. It does have a camera flash in front. Alright. Where is the camera flash? Where is it? I don't know. It's on there somewhere. What the hell did I... What? Oh, man. I have no idea what I fucking clicked on. It took me to like Wi-Fi hotspots, but yeah, man. You got face recognition. That's a win. The Alcatel 3V lets you securely unlock your phone with face key or facial recognition technology. Also, the Alcatel 3V has a fingerprint sensor on the back, so that's a fucking win right there, guys. You know what I'm saying? The embedded fingerprint sensor grants you instant access to your device. So you can also assign different fingerprints to quickly launch your favorite apps. That's really fucking cool. So let's say you got one fingerprint to unlike your phone, you want the other one to launch YouTube. You can put one finger on the sensor and it'll launch YouTube. That's pretty fucking sweet right there, man. It's pretty fucking sweet. Split screen multitasking. Free yourself from single app usage with multitask features and show 2 apps in screen with 18:9 display. So it has the dual window right there. Thanks to Android Oreo and stuff like that. Power and performance. With Android 8.0 Oreo and a most pre-installed apps like Google Assistant and Google Play Music. The Alcatel 3V is smart, fast, and more fun. It has Android Oreo, Google Assistant, and all that good stuff. Google Play Music, which I love. Google Play Music. I love Play Music. It's the best music streamer out there, in my opinion. Bonus pack. The Alcatel 3V comes with a clear cover and screen protector that lets you showcase your phone and protect it from damaging bumps and drops. So it comes with the case and screen protector. So that's what it looks like right there with the case on. It looks very nice. It's not the most expensive case out there, but it looks very nice for what it is. Here are specs on the phone. The phone weighs 5.47 ounces, available in Spectrum Black. It has a slim frame, black premium gloss finish, 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, 128 GB microSD card. It has a MediaTek processor, quad-core, 1.45 GHz, GPS, proximity light, e-compass, diver, hall switch, or whatever the fuck that is, Android Oreo. The display on this phone, 6-inch display, resolution 2K FHD, 2180 by 1080p, IPS, Corning Gorilla Glass 3, Incel touch points 10, so you can have multi-touch on this phone, of course. Rear camera 12 and 2 megapixel rear, dual cameras, flash type single LED flash. It's single flash. It's not a dual flash. That was dual flash, but it's single flash. Alright. You have autofocus, fixed focus. So the autofocus is on the 12 megapixel camera. Fixed focus is on the 2 megapixel camera, guys. Alright. You have angle. I guess the wide angle is the wide angle is 12 megapixels at 78.1 degrees and 2 megapixel 84 degrees. Rear camera video 1080p at 30 frames. 5 megapixel front facing camera, single LED flash, fixed focused, front facing camera video 1080p at 30 frames. So it has 1080p videos on front and back. Connectivity, GSM, so it support AT&T, T-Mobile, prepaid, postpaid, Cricket, Metro, PCS, TracFone, Straight Talk, H2O, Simple Mobile, Walmart Family Mobile, T-Mobile prepaid, AT&T prepaid, fucking any GSM carrier in the US, it will support. It will not support TDMA, so you cannot use this phone on Verizon or Sprint. Only AT&T or T-Mobile. It has 3G, 4G LTE. It has LTE bands right there. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 13, 17, and 28. You do get voice over LTE only on T-Mobile only. It has Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN, dual band Wi-Fi. Bluetooth 4.2 FM radio Type-C charging, nano SIM card, and it has NFC on board, so you can do Android Pay and stuff like that, and all that cool stuff. It has a 3000 mAh battery, like I said. It has fast charging, which they call Pump Express 2.0 Plus. That's interesting. 370 hours of standby time. And talk time 9 hours. Sound, you get Google Play Music. You get all this supported there. What you get in the box, guys, is you get the Alcatel 3V, you get a quick start guide, 5-volt charger, data cable, SIM tool, in-ear headphones, carry case, screen protector. So you get headphones. This phone has a lot of fucking, yeah, this phone, how much is this phone? I think it's like $150 or something. It's not that much. It's like $100 something. But for what you get for this phone, it's not that bad. It's pretty good. Pretty good phone specs and shit like that. Phone looks very nice. You can buy this phone unlocked and use it on T-Mobile and AT&T, postpaid, prepaid. Oh yeah, this phone's a fucking win. Nice looking phone. Fingerprint sensor, face unlock, Oreo. Yeah, it has everything on it. I want to be able to get Android P. It may, who knows? But it comes with Android 8.0 Oreo. So this phone is coming out next week, I believe it is, but you can pre-order it now on Alcatel's website, Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart.com, and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in this phone, you can pre-order it now or wait till it gets released next week, I believe it is. So if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you left me a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.